Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chef Rohit from the Hyatt Regency Pune. As you can see, the pandemic has changed my uniform a little. I have the gloves on. I do have the mask on. Gloves was always mandatory in a five-star kitchen, but the mask has just been added. What I have tend to realize it in my earlier session with Amul Live as well, the mask becomes a barrier, not just for me talking, also for a lot of communication. So I shall be taking off the mask. I shall also be taking off the gloves in case I'm doing something hot. So for the moment the gloves should be on, but I shall be taking off the mask. Yes, thank you so much guys for giving me the permission to do that. Also during the course of my apologies about that, during the course of my live session, I shall be reiterating the fact that I have removed the mask, considering the fact that it is good for communication. So one thing is that. At the same time, I'm taking off the gloves right now, considering I'm not doing any cutting or chopping right now. So that will be clear. So here I am. This is Chef Rohit from the Hyatt Regency Pune. And thank you Amul for giving us the opportunity to use your products, use your cream, your butter, and come up with something that you guys can do at home very easily. आज हम अंडे बना रहे हैं. बेसिक सा अंडा है, बेसिक सा सैंडविच है. I remember when I went to New York, I remember eating this at one of the places and it was etched in the back of my mind कि ये मैं एक बार करूँगा, थोड़ा हिंदुस्तानी बनाऊँगा पर ज़रूर करूँगा एक दफ़ा. So here it is. Here is a baked egg sandwich. It is very simple recipe, and in case you guys follow me, you know that I don't usually give out recipes per se. I just say cook instinctively. मैं बोलता हूँ आप लोग मिक्स करो, टेस्ट करो, सीखो कुछ नया. पर इस बारी मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर रेसिपी दूंगा और ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द लाइव सेशन एज वेल मैं ये बार बार दोहराते रहूँगा कि आपको आसानी हो जानने के लिए. ठीक है, आज की जो रेसिपी है वो शुरू होती है विद द अमूल फ्रेश क्रीम. राइट हियर some eggs that we'll be using, some Amul butter and salt and pepper. So essentially speaking, the recipe is very simple. मैं हमेशा जो बोलता हूँ वापस मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि there is a basic canvas that I'm making for you. एक बेसिक सा कैनवस बना रहा हूँ आपके लिए जिसको आप खुद से रन कर सकते हो, आराम सा है. मतलब I'll give you a sandwich recipe, you can recreate it that at home, but then again the flavoring is what, if you like some onions with it, add onions. If you like avocados, add avocados. अगर आपको कल रात वाली सब्जी बच गई है वो डालना है डाल दीजिए, पाव भाजी डालना है पाव भाजी डाल दीजिए. So what essentially I'll be doing right now is I'm doing a recipe for you. I'll be doing a very basic sandwich recipe for you, something different, because in here what comes is an idea or an expertise of a chef where you bake things, where the egg comes out nice and fluffy, it comes out in a nice format, it has a finished product. So पहले मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि सैंडविच का बेसिक चीज़ क्या होगा और उसके बाद मैं बनाता हूँ कि फिलिंग क्या होगी. तो in the sandwich we shall be using a little bit of either brown or white sliced bread, as simple as that. You can find this easily in your what do you call in your local market. आपको जंबो यूज़ करना है आप जंबो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आपको छोटा यूज़ करना है आप छोटा यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देन कम्स द फ्लेवरिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. मैंने जैसे आपको हमेशा बोला कि आई विल बी गिविंग यू अ बेसिक एग कस्टर्ड, वो पूरा का पूरा बेक होके निकलेगा. उसके बाद आप उसमें जो एडिशन करना चाहें कर सकते हैं. सो टुडे विल बी डूइंग अ मसाला, ऑल्सो विल बी डूइंग अ मसाला with the egg one, and we shall also be doing some caramelized onion which I personally like. जो मैंने पहले भी खाया है, मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आता है. जो मैं कैरमलाइज्ड अनियन के साथ करूँगा उसमें मैं थोड़ा सा चीज़ डालूँगा, क्योंकि चीज़ का जो नमकीनपन होता है, अमूल चीज़ का थोड़ा सा नमकीन होता है, उसको जो मीठा मीठा अनियन है कैरमलाइज वो काटेगा. सो दैट इज़ माई आइडिया ऑफ वन. द अदर वन इज़ वेरी सिंपल, क्योंकि मैं घर पे ये बना चुका हूँ, मम्मी पापा को काफ़ी पसंद आता है. विल बी डूइंग अ मसाला एग बेक्ड सैंडविच. ठीक है. Now a lot of people would be asking me कि शेफ रोहित आप जब भी देते हो आप कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट का डिश देते हो या आप डिनर का डिश नहीं देते हो. ठीक है. Now the best part is आप ये डिनर में बना सकते हो, आप इवनिंग स्नैक्स में बना सकते हो, आप इसको लंच में बना सकते हो, आप इसको टिफ़िन में दे सकते हो. अ लॉट ऑफ housewives out there who would be looking at this. You can make this an excellent packed tiffin box. With the pandemic going on, बच्चे स्कूल तो नहीं जा रहे, but in case they are sitting down for a Zoom call, you can always like keep eating. So that is my idea of it. So let's start with the recipe. If this is the time when you just get a pen and paper and just write it down, but I will be repeating it again. Also, with the cliche of me repeating myself, मैंने अभी मास्क नहीं पहन रखा है, मैंने अभी जस्ट मास्क उतारा है इसलिए कि हम ठीक से बात कर सकें. साथ ही साथ मैंने अभी ग्लव्स उतारे हैं ये सोचकर कि इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर अस टू वर्क एंड दिस इज़ जस्ट अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. सो मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए क्योंकि मैं ग्लव्स नहीं पहना हूँ, मास्क नहीं पहना हूँ, बट when we are cooking in the kitchen, the boy who's holding your camera right now, he's wearing a mask, he's wearing a gloves. It's easier that way. So let me give out the recipe to you. We have, what we'll be using is egg. Egg is going to be the primary cementing material to our dish. So we'll be using 4.5 eggs in this. Now how do you measure 4.5 eggs? Usually you're going to bake the eggs into something. So I'm using, this is the smallest pan. Unfortunately, working in a 5-star hotel, this is the smallest pan that we have. पर अगर आप घर पे हैं तो आप इसका आधा भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आधे के लिए 4.5 eggs are fantastic. पूरे के लिए मैं 9 अंडे यूज़ करूँगा. ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है आपको? ये हो गया पॉइंट नंबर 1. सो फर्स्ट वील मेक एन बेसिक एग कस्टर्ड. आई शैल बी यूजिंग 4.5 eggs, mixing it with the cream out here. Cream, and in case you don't have enough cream, you can mix some milk along with the cream. Mix it all together, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of butter. Now butter doesn't go in the recipe. तो अगर मुझे रेसिपी, if I have to give out the recipe to you, 4.5 eggs, 245 ml of cream. I shall be using some Amul fresh cream. Okay, so give me one moment. Okay, so this is the time when I wear the gloves. So allow me one moment. I shall be wearing the gloves. It's easier that way. And as I said again, I'm not wearing the mask right now. But in case I'm cooking in the kitchen, I always have the mask on, just for communication. This is very simple. It's just for communication. Okay. So I'll remember I had this with avocados, I have made this with tomatoes, I have made this with a little bit of cheese. So 4.5 eggs, that's my trash bin. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here goes the half. Okay, now one expert advice I'm giving you, if I'm giving you at all, so here's your 4.5 eggs. In case I'm giving you an advice at all, it would be the fact that once you're making the custard ना, custard को एक बार छान लेंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि कस्टर्ड में अंडों में एक चीज़ होती है जिनको बोलते हैं चलासा, जो मुंह में आती है, थोड़ी स्टिंगी सी होती है. This is my 275 grams of fresh milk, fresh cream. I shall be adding this to that. There you go. And a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'll give it a taste test later, not right now. I take it here, a little bit of melted cheese. Right here, that's my melted cheese. And I whisk it all together. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बोला, कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. इट्स नॉट एट ऑल डिफ़िकल्ट इन रिगार्ड्स टू योर बेसिक कस्टर्ड, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी सिंपल, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. वंस इट कुक्स डाउन, इट्स गोइंग टू बी सुपर सिल्की एंड सुपर स्मूथ. ठीक है, इसको आपको 2 मिनट हिलाना है. आपको ब्लेंडर यूज़ करना है, आप ब्लेंडर यूज़ कर सकते हो. आई प्रेफर यूजिंग अ फोक, सिंपल फोक. इट्स ईजियर दैट वे. ऑल्सो काफ़ी लोग ये पूछेंगे कि इसके अंदर शेफ़ क्या हम लोग मेल्टेड बटर यूज़ कर सकते हैं? एब्सोल्युटली यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट उसमें भी एक साइंस आ जाता है. इन केस यू यूजिंग मेल्टेड बटर, व्हाट हैपेंस इज, जब ये पकता है तो उसकी सतह पे वो आ जाता है. इट कम्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ इट एंड डजंट लुक रियली नाइस. इन केस यू यूज़ रेगुलर बटर incorporated inside, that forms an emulsion and that holds your custard as well. So it's very simple. Apologies, smaller bowl I reckon. Harinder, if you can come a little closer to me, you can see all of it is mixed together really well. There would be certain clots of your cream, but that will work all together. ठीक है, that works for your favor. So मैंने ये लिया. Now prepping your station in our kitchen is you take a tray, you line it with a little bit of oil, then line it with a little bit of butter paper. You can use butter paper. उसको अच्छे से लाइन कर लेंगे पूरा साइड में. ठीक है, I have lined it and kept it ready. So in case you're starting with a custard, any kind of custard as a matter of fact, you first line your tray, okay, and you keep it ready for yourself. आप इसमें बटर लगा सकते हैं, आप इसमें तेल लगा सकते हैं, ऑलिव ऑयल लगा सकते हैं. कुछ मैं थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल छिड़कूंगा कि जो मेरा कस्टर्ड पक के आता है वो उस पर चिपके नहीं. ठीक है, Harinder, at any given point of time, if there is any questions,
I'll update you on it.
Also, in case there is anyone who is looking at me and saying Chef from Hyatt not wearing a mask, not wearing gloves, I'm sorry guys, this is just for effective communication. I removed my gloves off. I'm just going to be cooking a little more and then we are going to take it ahead. So here it is. So take this off, it's getting hot.
So meanwhile you're doing, there are certain questions like recipe name please,
Okay.
by a lot of guests.
Right.
And then one more lady, Miss Kamini Sutaria, is asking instead of eggs what we can use.
Instead of egg, what you can use? Okay. Kamini, I'll be very honest with you. थोड़ा सा मुझे आपको सच बोलना पड़ेगा कि अंडे ज़रूरी हैं इसमें. Okay, we are making a basic egg custard. It's a baked egg dish. You have to use egg in this. But in case I have to change it and I have to add anything to it, I would say that there is a recipe where you can fold in flour and a little bit of cream and you call it it's a baked dish as well. I'm not remembering it right now, but we can connect later on Instagram. My handle out there is Chef Rohit Chadda. You can always connect on Instagram with me and I shall be happy to share the recipe with you. The name of the dish is a baked egg sandwich. ठीक है, ये जो है ये बना लिया मैंने, सिंपल सा है. ठीक है, दिस इज़ द ओनली हार्ड वर्क. ओके, इसके बाद कोई हार्ड वर्क नहीं है. इसे हमें 12 मिनट पकाना बस हो गया और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है, तो अगर आप सुबह आधे घंटे भी जल्दी उठते हैं एंड यू हैव टू मेक द, आई रिमेंबर मॉम गेटिंग अप इन द मॉर्निंग टू मेक माई टिफिन. सो इन केस मॉम यूज टू गेट अप लाइक 30 minutes earlier as well. She was doing a poha or an upma. If she did this, I would have been happier I would say. So it's very simple. ये मिक्स किया आपने, इसको उठाया. अब ध्यान रखना है कि जब आप इसको उठाते हैं तो एक तरफ नहीं आ जाए. यू डोंट टिप इट ओवर और यू डोंट what do you call, you don't put it टेढ़ा मेढ़ा inside the oven. If you're putting it, lie it straight down flat so that there is an even layer of your egg. So right now what I'll be doing is I'll be putting this inside the pizza oven because I cannot use the convection oven out here. So in case you're cooking at home, you can use a convection oven as well. Put it inside a 120-130 degree temperature oven or microwave and cook it for 12 minutes on one side. Turn it around, 12 minutes on the other. Turn it around means move the thing 180 degree. Cook it for 12 minutes again. So that's that. That's the only cooking that we are doing. That's about it. So I have put the egg inside the oven. It's very simple. बस इतना ही पकाना है इसको. 12 मिनट हम एक तरफ पकाएंगे, फिर उसको टर्न कर देंगे. We'll cook that for 12 minutes again. So that's about it. अभी I shall be doing a little bit of camera angle out here where I shall not be taking much of your time. It was very simple, the egg custard. I'll do a recap of it very very soon. But क्योंकि हमारे पास समय कम है और मैं वेट नहीं कर सकता ये पके, तो थोड़ा सा जादू करेंगे. And I have cooked it earlier. I'll just show that to you. Doom. So that's ready. That's my egg custard. I have portioned it. Okay, I have baked it. I have portioned it. It's very simple, and we'll make the sandwich out of it. Okay. So apologies in case you guys are looking and you're like, अरे शेफ ने बना बनाया यूज़ कर लिया. बना बनाया इसलिए यूज़ किया क्योंकि आधा घंटा नहीं है हमारे पास वेट करने के लिए कि एग प्रॉपरली कुक हो जाए. ठीक है, साथ ही साथ मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा दैट इन केस यू कुकिंग द एग, यू फर्स्ट कुक इट for 12 minutes on like in 360 degree like that, and then you turn it around. फिर वो धीरे धीरे गर्म होता है, पूरा पक जाता है. How do you check it? A lot of people would be asking me how do you check it. you can just wriggle the pan a little, the tray a little, and see whether it moves or not. In case it is sturdy, it is firm, it looks firm, then it is cooked. Take it out, touch the center, or maybe use a stick to push it in. If it goes inside without any problem and it seems firm, then it is cooked. As simple as that. At the same time, I won't be wasting much of your time. I shall also be keeping an eye on the egg custard, on the baked egg that we have put right now. I shall be calling it a custard, considering that's the jargon that the chefs use. So हम उस पर भी नज़र रखेंगे, साथ ही साथ इसको बनाते हैं आगे बढ़ के, ठीक है. So सब लोग जानते हैं सैंडविच कैसे बनाते हैं. There are the breads that we use, breads का stuffing that we use. फिलहाल के लिए मैं इसे हटा देता हूँ. Very simple. I'll just take it off because इसका काम अभी हो गया है. At the same time I'll clean this please. ठीक है. So इनका काम हो गया है. It's very simple. I'll be taking 2 slices of white bread. Pretty simple, pretty same. We'll be lining it. I'll be using one moment. I shall be using a little bit of butter. I'll be ठीक है. तो हम लोग जब स्कूल में पढ़ते, हम लोग जब होटल स्कूल में पढ़ रहे थे, तो होटल स्कूल में था व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग अ सैंडविच, देयर इज अ स्टफिंग ऑफ द सैंडविच, देयर इज डिप और spread for the sandwich. So spread is usually butter or mayonnaise that you use. I'm using a little bit of butter right now because we want it to be nice and moist in the center. At the same time, this is the most basic sandwich that we'll be making. This is the first one that we'll be making. The second one would be a rendition that you can try at home, or you can make it at home the way you want it. As simple as that. ठीक है. तो ये मैंने ले लिया, थोड़ा सा बटर इस तरफ लगा लिया क्योंकि ये नीचे की तरफ जाएगा. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे भी लगा लिया. ठीक है. I'm just keeping it ready. Again, I have the, sorry about that. I have the breads ready here with me. So, as I said earlier, when your custard is cooled, when your baked egg is cooled, then is a good time to cut it. But in case you're cutting it while it is hot, what will happen is it will give way, and when it gives way, वो खाने में एकदम अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, साथ ही साथ वो टूट जाएगा. So when you are taking a bite of a sandwich, what will happen is it will keep falling on your body, and no one likes that. So in case I have to show it to you, when you cook it properly, this is what happens. It cooks out into a nice, really nice, chunky texture. At the same time, you give it a taste. I keep telling you, you have to keep on tasting your food, so you know whether this is the time when you can season it or you can add in. So that's how you go about it. So we'll just give a look to the baked egg that we have put inside. Just give me 1 second. I shall be just taking it off once. You don't have to do this at home. I'll be taking it off once so that you will know that it is cooking. It's cooking well. So, in case you see, this is something that you shouldn't do, but I am doing this because I want you to see. So, in case you see the sides, it started to cook. It's become a little bit thicker than it is. The ऊपर की जो सतह है, अगर आप देखते हैं ऊपर की सतह थोड़ी पानी है, पर नीचे ये जो है ये चिपके जा रहा है, तो ये अच्छे से पक रहा है. तो दिस इज अ गुड टाइम फॉर यू टू नॉट डिस्टर्ब इट एट ऑल. ओके, आई एम डिस्टर्बिंग इट बिकॉज आई वांट यू गाइस टू सी इट. सो आई जस्ट कीप इट इनसाइड. एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट इट लाइज ऑन अ स्ट्रेट सरफेस सो दैट you have a really nice thick filling for your sandwich. So I shall take this off. I've cut it nicely and kept it. There you go. That's my baked egg that I am using. I've kept it right in the center, and it always helps to be a chef because of the fact that you can pre-do this and you can keep it and you can come on camera and you can tell people about it, because इतना समय नहीं है आपके पास कि आप ये देख सकें कि इसको पक रहा है कि नहीं पक रहा है. ठीक है. Now this is a time when you see that 1, 2 and 3 is ready, and the 4th one is your choice. As I keep on saying, it's a blank canvas. This is a basic sandwich. आपको इस पर चीज़ डालना है. I can use some Amul cheese. I have Amul cheese slice. I can keep some 2 or 3 Amul cheese slices on top. maybe show the oven a little and let it melt a little, put a little bit of chili, put a little bit of tomatoes, put whatever I wish. So I'm just putting in some Amul cheese. Again guys, I'm telling you, I've just removed my mask considering that it's easier for us to communicate, and I've taken off the gloves as well, considering that this is just a demonstration. Usually at a 5-star hotel we wear our gloves. Okay, so I shall be putting this out here. Right now I shall show you, अगर आपको इसके ऊपर मसाला बनाना है, so you can put in a little bit of onions, a little bit of tomatoes, little chilies if you want, some grated cheese, maybe mozzarella, little bit of mushrooms. Okay, so the first one we shall be doing a very basic thing. I put the egg, I put the sandwich. So we take this, put it in a pan, just show the oven. Okay, so the cheese will melt, and what you have at the end of it is something very, very beautiful. So that's the first one that goes inside the oven. And I'll do another one which is one of my favorites, which you can try at home, which you can share with your family, which I believe that I should name my own sandwich. मैंने बनाया ये, पर ठीक है, कोई नहीं, आप ये टेस्ट कीजिए. So we'll be using brown bread for the same. You can use whole wheat bread as well, whole grain as well, anything that you desire. A little bit of butter on both sides. I'll be doing a little bit of butter on both sides. I'm using Amul butter here. As I said earlier, a lot of butter actually. I love butter, yeah. So a lot of butter actually. Okay, I'll just turn it around and give it a little bit of butter as well, because when I'm going to cook it or crisp it on the pan, it's going to be really nice and crispy. So like some more butter on the sides. So this one is probably one of my favorites. Simple brown bread, a little bit of your baked egg. Okay, nice pre-portioned and cut. So I remove it off. I put it on the bread. Now what I have out here is caramelized onions. कुछ भी नहीं करना है, आपको अनियन लेना है, पतले पतले काटने हैं उसे, और उसको धीमे आंच पे भूनना है. ठीक है, आखिर में अगर in case you add in a little bit of brown sugar, that works in the favor as well. So I have taken a little bit of, actually a lot of onion jam, and I shall be putting it on top of my egg sandwich. It goes really, really nice. Okay, क्योंकि as I said, I will also be using grated cheese, तो मैं अनियन लूँगा, इसको फैला लूँगा. ठीक है, साथ ही साथ मैं थोड़ा सा और ग्रेटेड चीज़ भी लूँगा. You can use mozzarella as well, or Amul processed cheese, whatever you wish. There is no hard and fast rule to it. This is the time when I give you to use your imagination, think about it and use it to the best of your ability. Simple, same thing over and over again. I shall take this and put it inside the oven again and get the other one out. So the other one is ready till this gets cooked. Any more questions? Any questions?
So for now, only one question again. Alternative for egg.
Alternative for egg, I shall share it with you. Apologies, I did not think of it earlier, but I shall be sharing a recipe with you on Instagram. I'll be around for that. So here you go. Also one more really interesting thought is the fact that a lot of these sandwiches are eaten in Japan as well. I've seen a series where it's called something, I'm sorry I'm forgetting it, but in Japan there is a shop which serves the same baked egg sandwich, but it serves it with Kobe. Okay, that's fantastic. So I'm taking this off. Okay, so I have the basic sandwich ready, but it's still not finished, it's still not yum, it's still not there because everything is soft. So what we're going to do is we're going to crisp it up. We want to make it like nice and crispy on both sides. So when you cut it, you are like, oh, this is what I wanted and this is how it should be. So I'll just remove this is hot. And I shall keep my plating ready. So in case I have to plate it, it's easier that way. I'm taking this off. I shall give you the recipe again. It's easier that way for you, and plus it can be a quick recap. Okay, so here my sandwich is ready. The other one is in the oven. The baked egg is getting ready. This is the first one. I put in a little bit of butter. Actually, a lot of butter works. We use a lot of butter inside a pan, preferably non-stick pan. In case you don't have non-stick pan, regular pan में भी चलेगा. जिसमें मम्मी रोटी बनाती है वो भी बेहतरीन है, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है उसमें. ठीक है, we take your sandwich, put it on, and nicely crisp it. As simple as that.
So we have Mr. Pranab Das asking the onion jam which you use is sweet or saltier.
Sweet. तो जब आप धीरे धीरे मिस्टर प्रणव, गुड क्वेश्चन यार. मिस्टर प्रणव, यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज बिरयानी में जो ब्रिस्ता डालते हैं ना, वो ब्रिस्ता ही है, बट वो एक अलग प्रकार का ब्रिस्ता है क्योंकि आप उसको धीमी आंच पे पका रहे हैं एंड यू आर नॉट क्रिस्पिंग इट अप. ओके, सो एंड यू कैन ऐड इन लिटिल बिट ऑफ शुगर एज वेल. तो उससे वो एक अनियन जैम बनता है और कैरमलाइज होता है. यूजुअली ये कॉन्टिनेंटल कुकिंग में यूज़ होता है, पर मैं इसमें इंडियन में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ वो फ्लेवर हम एंजॉय करें, इसलिए. दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी एज वेल. सो आई हैव पुट दिस ऑन. Is there any more questions?
So far not.
Fantastic. So अभी मैं इसको डाल दिया है. I have put it in and I have let it cook. Okay, I am putting it on the other side. So when you see this, there you go. This is what I wanted. So this is the एक अलग रंग का भूरा सा रंग आ जाएगा ना इस पे, तो क्या होगा, you have that crisp texture. ठीक है, साथ ही साथ आप खूब सारा बटर यूज़ कीजिए क्योंकि it's going to be amazing. This is the time when I slow the flame, I let this crisp up a little. At the same time, I just check what is going on in the oven so that you guys know what is going on. One moment.
So we have Mr. Praveen Sharma. He is saying in Japan, I think you're talking about tamogyaki.
Absolutely. And thank you so much. I forgot about that. But here, this is what is being cooked. If you see, it's still a little bit of, it's still not cooked all the way. So if you can see, it's still not cooked all the way. But again, 12 minutes is what I said. It's been what, 8 to 10 minutes. So we'll let this cook a little. Whoa, the other one is ready and ready to go. Oh my God, I like this. I like looking at it. Oh my God, I love this. So we'll just take it off from the pan. Okay, and we're going to crisp this up as well. I'm so happy looking at this. Yeah, this is just fantastic. I'm just so happy looking at it. Okay, we'll close it. इसको पर्दा लगा देंगे. ठीक है, take off the hot pan. Make sure that okay, we are working in the kitchen. It's easier for chefs like me. We handle all the pans considering it is hot. But अगर आप घर में बना रहे हो और मेरी तरह excited हो जाते हो और गर्म पैन उठा लेते हो तो just be careful. Okay, don't get excited like me. You'll hurt yourself. And that's the last thing that I want. Because you're going to tell your friends that, oh, I learned something from Chef Rohit, and then I burnt myself, and that is not what I want. As simple as that. Oh, give me one moment. So this one seems ready. So if I have to show you how crisp it is, you see that noise that it makes. अच्छा खासा crisp है, बेहतरीन crisp है. I like it, like it that way, and that is how it should be. So in case you're cooking it for your friends or someone, this is how crisp it should be. Okay. Ooh, nice.
So we have Miss Jerlyn De Silva. She's asking what is the chef's Instagram handle.
It is Chef Rohit Chadda on Instagram. CHEFROSIT Chadda. So the gentleman who mentioned about the one in Japan, they usually cut it into half, stick it both together, keep it nicely on a pan. So we'll be doing 2 presentations. So we'll do one of that, the other one very Indianized triangles में जो मेरे को स्कूल से याद है. तो 2 तरीके करेंगे, एक ट्रायंगल वाला जो स्कूल में याद था और एक ये वाला जो काफ़ी लोग खा चुके हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा भी लगता है. तो I'll just cut it off. ठीक है, this is how you see it. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This is how I want it to be, nice and crisp. Okay, you can put a toothpick right between it, and also you would think that the underside is a little more crisper. I wanted it that way. I've kept it that way. And also this is a time that I'll give you 1 minute to just check what is going inside the oven. It's just getting ready. If you can see, it has risen a little, but as and when it cools down, it will fall down. So don't have to worry about that. डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होगा. साथ ही साथ हमारा ये थोड़ा ओवर कुक हो रहा है, तो धीमे कर देंगे. and I think just getting ready. We'll let this cook a little. We'll use this. Okay. So this is it. This is our first sandwich. The other one is just getting ready. Give me 1 second. I think I'll have to just correct it a little because I left it on the stove too late. So I'll just correct it. Can you help me out, please? Yeah. Yes. So any more questions? I'll be using another. Any more questions? I'll be taking questions at this juncture. Anjay?
So, Mr. Avadeep Mondal, hi chef.
Hi, Avradeep. Yeah, Avradeep trained with us.
Okay, so good.
Yeah.
For the baked egg, will it be plain or some masala should be added in it? Sorry because I joined lately.
Well, as I said earlier, जो आप बनाते हैं ना तो आसान है. अगर आपको करेक्ट करना है तो उसमें मसाले डाल सकते हैं, कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. It's as simple as that. You can put some masalas in it. You can put a little bit और सब्जी भी डाल सकते हैं. I've tried it myself with pav bhaji and it has come out fantastic. But I'm not very sure how many people like your egg with your pav bhaji. So I'll be using a satay stick that I told you earlier. Just bringing this all together once. So yeah, this is ready. Fantastic.
Then you have your old friend, it seems like Mr. Ankit Kumar, and has commented something.
Please tell me about it.
I will show you later.
Hanji?
We'll show you later.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
Right.
Then Mr. Prashant Chadda, wonderful brother, keep rocking.
Yeah.
Pinky Sahapuri, looks amazing, thank you chef.
Glad.
Avadeep Mondal again, miss this place a lot of chef, miss you as well.
Right, fantastic. So yeah, the other one is just getting ready. I have to just finish this once. Again, as I'm saying, there is no hard and fast recipe per se to my dish. Okay, the only recipe that I said, and I'm saying it again, is 425 ml of cream to 275 ml of cream in 4 eggs, 4.5 eggs. That's about it. So I'll just keep turning this around once to see whether I got it right or not. Woo! It's just getting ready. Give me 1 moment. Shall keep this on the. Yep. So we shall be waiting for that one. Right now I am good. I shall be wrapping up. I'm good with both the sandwiches. I'm going to enjoy it. It's a beautiful evening in Pune and it's about to rain, I guess. So maybe a cup of tea and some sandwiches and life is good. So yeah, that's about it. In case you guys need the recipe again, hit me up on Instagram. I'm Chef Rohit Chadda on Instagram, regular Rohit Chadda if you meet me outside. So yeah, the baked eggs sandwich is just getting ready. The last one, we're going to cut it. We're going to keep it ready, and in case you guys need a recipe, you can just follow me on Instagram, drop me a message. I shall be happy to help you. So that's that. That's from my side. Anything else, guys?
So there's Miss Sonia Das just joined, asking would the egg custard reheat well?
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Also, Sonia Das just reminded me of something which is very, very beautiful. You can keep this baked egg in the fridge in an airtight container for maybe 2 days. So there is no problem. 2 दिन तक आप रख सकते हो, पर अच्छे से रखना है आपको. क्लिंग रैप करके बेहतरीन तरीके से रखिए. माइक्रोवेव कीजिए, हो सकता है कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. ठीक है. ये वाला तो तैयार हो गया. I do not know that I will be speaking for 24 minutes. So this one is almost ready. We'll keep this to cool down. The other one was also ready, so I'm really happy about it. So that's that. I'm really happy about the fact. So one is ready, the other one is coming my way. Give me 1 moment. I do not know that I'll be taking 24 minutes. So yeah, this is ready as well. If you see, अब इसको ठंडा करेंगे तो ये थोड़ा सा बैठ जाएगा. शुरुआत में आपको लगेगा इतना उठा हुआ क्यों है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो गर्मी की वजह से it heated and then it puffed up. So we're going to cool it down. It's going to go back to its normal size. You don't have to worry about it. It's going to taste amazing because it's just cream. It's a little bit of butter. It's a little bit of your salt and pepper. As simple as that. So yeah, can I have it, please?
So there are a lot of guests who joined quite late, and they want to know the recipe once again. If you can just post it on your profile or at a good page where everyone can reach out.
I shall be.
Yeah, please do.
I shall. That would be. So yeah, my sandwich seems ready. I'll just take it off. Okay, I'm going to hurt it a little, I reckon. Yeah, I'm hurting it a lot. Ooh. So yeah, I hurt it. So I'm going to now cut it and present it the way हम लोग स्कूल में करते थे. ठीक है. Nice. तो ये स्कूल में लेके जाने के लिए बहुत बेहतरीन है. If you're packing it in a tiffin box, you can have it cold as well. You can have it warm as well. There's no worries about it. So one is this, the other one is this. So yeah, that's that. I'm happy about it. You can serve it with a little bit of mustard, a little bit of ketchup. ठीक है. And yeah, that's that. That's from my side. For all the guys who have joined in late, you can always hit me up on Instagram. My handle is Chef Rohit Chadda. At the same time, there is another video of mine doing having one of my recipes shared with Amul as well earlier, which was a Fido sheet wrapped brie or wrapped cheese with mango salsa. You can follow that as well. And cheers, guys. Have a good evening. I shall see you guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. In case you have any questions, please do pop up.
Right.
Chef is here for 1 more minute. Or in case you can just DM him directly on his post. Chef Rohit Chadda on Instagram.
Yeah, that works.
And you can even ask on page Hyatt Regency Pune, where he's very much active and can answer you anytime.
Absolutely. You can follow Hyatt Regency Pune as well. You can look at what we're doing all this while. Plus our collaborations with Amul. Maybe Suraj will be here, maybe I'll be here. We'll be doing something new all the time. And for something that can be easily recreated at home. जो भी मैंने अभी किया है, खाली अमूल के प्रोडक्ट्स बाहर से थे. अंडे आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएंगे, सब्जियां आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएंगी, ब्रेड्स तो हर जगह मिलता ही है. तो इसमें देयर इज़ नो इंग्रेडिएंट आउट हेयर जो आपको किसी महंगे मॉल में जाना होगा लेने के लिए या कहीं और जाना होगा लेने के लिए. सो इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. यू गाइस डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Again, I will reiterate it. I'm not wearing the mask right now for better communication. Only that when we are working, we usually wear the mask, we wear the gloves. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.